Tip of the day, explore the decay factor on heat maps using open interest. Start by opening heat maps and selecting open interest. Choose your desired ticker, for example, BTC, and set the look back period. Let's take 1 month on the 15-minute time frame. To make it clearer, change the heat map color from the settings. Select hot and apply it. At the top, you'll see 2 controls. Decay factor, previously introduced in the liquidation heat map, it prioritizes more recent data and mimics natural position closure over time. Threshold, used to filter out noise. Lower the decay factor slightly from the right side, then increase the threshold from the left. This will help you identify where open interest was strongest and how long it persisted. These zones often fade when price retests them and can act as psychological support or resistance, as many positions are around break-even there. Use heat maps to track these levels and understand which zones may influence future price movement.